I'm gonna show you what $1.3 million gets you on the South Shore of Staten Island. I don't think you will be disappointed. Let's go check this out. Okay, today we're at 127 Madsen Avenue, 10309. My daughter's with us for the property tour today. Hi, Mama. Okay, so first of all, look at the driveway. We haven't even seen anything inside the house, outside the house. Just look at this driveway. Okay, you got your privacy trees. You could park about 50,000 cars in here. And then look, you can even go all the way up there and park cars if you need more somehow. But I mean, this is an unbelievable touch. Look at your mailbox. You can drive a truck into that thing. Beautiful block. So that's actually the entrance right here to get onto the West Shore. Well, to get onto that little junction that takes you to West Shore or the Staten Island Expressway. The outer bridge is literally right there. But we're so like insulated that you can't hear any highway noise. You don't hear anything. Look at the block. Quiet, big, beautiful homes. Okay, let's go check it out. So now this house, I'll show you at the end, but on the left side, there is a entrance to a 2-bedroom apartment. It's a legal 2-family, but now something really special. On the right side, there's a door right over there. See it? That takes you to there's a mother-daughter studio. So you have a main house of 4 bedrooms. You have a studio over here, and you got a 2-bedroom apartment on the left side. It's really unbelievable. All the main things have been done in this home. Roof, everything is within 5 years. The roof, the HVAC, everything. Water heaters. Now look at this. First, the entry. This door, I need you to come and like try this because it is a big, heavy, gorgeous wrought iron door. Okay. Now, just to get it out of the way, I'll show you the garage. The garage is right here when you walk in. Now that's the entrance into the laundry room and then the studio. But you know, here's your typical garage, storage, gym, park a car, which I don't think you really need to, but whatever you want. Now, as we make our way upstairs, how beautiful this kid is. Look at this home that we find ourselves in. Okay, first you come to the living room. Recessed lighting everywhere. Gorgeous floors. Electric fireplace. Accent wall right for that and the big TV. This mini split's blowing ice cold air. You can't even hear it. It's oscillating. Skylight. Extra room here. They made it into a little office, like a little quasi office space. Look at the wallpapers. Look at the accents. Look at the light fixtures. The floors. Right, this is your dining area. Look at this kitchen. Really. Look at this kitchen. Granite. Farm sink, look at that. Look at a beautiful window, the landing right there on the window, the backsplash. Light fixtures, the colors, the appliances. It's a true ventilation. Gorgeous. Okay, coat closet. Bathroom number 1. Look at the colors. Really. Skylight. Tons of light in this home. She's showing us around. Now, 4 bedrooms up here. This one they turn into an awesome men's closet. Huge walk-in closet space. Of course, there's a closet inside of it. Here's your primary. Again, look at these colors. And the best part is everything is neutral. Everything can go pretty much with everything. It's not like we picked crazy pinks and, you know, those kinds of colors. I mean, just everything is neutral. Has its own bathroom here as well. Stand-up shower. Bedroom number 3, they're using as an office for a bow company that the wife operates. But as you can see, large room. Pretty stuff. Bedroom number 4, another huge bedroom. This one they're utilizing again, an office space for the husband. You got your security cameras, right? Room for a desk, printer, all that stuff. PS5, little hangout station. Now, more awesome features of this home. Look at this covered balcony porch up here on the second floor off of one of the bedrooms. So you could look down to your pool area, which we're gonna take you down to right now. You could sit, relax, play games. You could have a drink at night, have coffee in the morning. I mean, really, this house has everything. Now let's check it out. Head downstairs to the crown jewel. I know, after everything we've seen, still hasn't been the crown jewel yet. Point number one I'd like to bring up back here, we're backing up to the woods, okay? Quiet, peaceful, nothing's coming over our side where we're constantly having leaves and all that. It's like a perfect scenario. Keep in mind all the pavers. Keep in mind the pavers around this house. I mean, that would be tens of thousands of dollars alone with just the whole side of the house, that humongous 10-car driveway, the whole yard. You're talking well into the 5 figures in just pavers, okay? And now look at this. Look at this beautiful covered outdoor area, okay? Kitchen, drawers, fridge, bar, sink, ventilation, hooded stove, fireplace, TV, right? Put your own name there and lights, lounge area, skylights, fan, lighting, privacy curtains, and then look at the pool. Heated saltwater pool, waterfall feature. Again, look at the, pavers, retaining wall. Everything here is just done to the extreme. Look at this view. Goes to about 5.5 feet. Just can't beat it. Truly can't beat this house. And then again, right up this side, now that we're in behind the house, right up here would be the 2-bedroom apartment. And then coming back around this way, just to show you that, again, the sheer length of this driveway, the amount of pavers that it takes. Just gonna show you the exit from this way. So this is that studio door I was telling you about. Look at this. It's the first car I've seen drive by today. And that's it. 127 Madsen Avenue, 1.3 million, gets you this.